Our next speaker is Ganga Kafle. So he is a full-time WordPress contributor at Rank Math and also serves as a WordPress themes team representative and a photos team rep. He's the voice behind the Go with WordPress podcast, sharing insights and updates from across the WordPress community. His contributions also don't stop there. He also actively contributes to the Themes Developer Handbook, WordPress Core, Polygons, Patterns, and many other areas of the project. So he's been a seasoned contributor since 2012 and is now a full-time contributor since 2021. So he's also currently one of the key organisers of WordCamp Asia for 2025, helping shape one of the most important regional WordPress events. Is he here? Oh, you're there. Okay, great. So today he's going to be talking to us about WordPress community contribution matters. So get involved and make an impact. It's a nice follow-on theme from Dan's, actually. So welcome.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm changing the technology from laptop to iPad to my phone today. So my presentation slide is in phone. So I just want to show you an example that in every situation we can deliver something. You know? So today I'm going to tell about my story a bit and about the WordPress community and the importance of being in the WordPress community and in the WordPress ecosystem. So, I'm going to talk about WordPress community and contribution matters. You need to get involved, and your involved will make impact to the ecosystem. How? So, is it working? It's not working. Yeah, it's a technical thing. We can't do anything. Okay, so from our MC, we already know who am I, but I'd like to introduce myself as well. So I'm Ganga Kafle. I am from the beautiful country Nepal. So you know about Nepal, the country of mountains. And I am full-time sponsored contributors. So in my later slide, you will know about what full-time contributor means and how I get that. And I will talk about what are the benefits that we can get being in the community as well. So in your screen, you can see my email, Twitter, if you want to get connect and if you want to know more about me. So WordPress community. I think few of the speakers, previous speaker already talked about the community a lot. But me, being an example, I would like to show you what are the benefits that we can get or someone can get. So today we have a very good setup. Even my slide text are very small, but you have a screen in front of you that it can be readable. So I was worried like while making the presentation, is then can be readable or not, but you have monitor in front of you. So there is one saying, community is about doing something together that makes belonging matter. It means that, like, for example, if you are alone, probably you have limited ideas. But if you be in the community, then you have more ideas that you can grow. That's what WordPress community is. Dan, in the previous presentation, he said that grow up, come, get involved in the community, go meet up, go WordCamp, like show your online presence. The ultimate goal of those things is to be in the community. If you attend meetup, you will get chance to talk with another people. If you go to WordCamp, then you will get chance to talk another people. It means that is all about building the community. So the main motto is to make a community and share, learn, and collaborate. For example, if you work as a freelancer and work from your home, and if you find any problem, then only the internet will be your resource, and you need to find through that resource. But if you get involved in the community, probably you have another helping hands, probably another side hands that help you to solve that particular problem. So it's always better to be in the community, talk with people, and share your problems, share your ideas, and learn. I think we are doing that today. So there are other things as well. We all talk about community, join the community, but if you are attending here for the first time, you might be wondering like, where I can find that community? Where are the people having the like similar mindset of mine that I can go and learn and collaborate? Where? Probably you need to first find the community near you. I have a screenshot from meetup.com. The meetup.com that we have in WordPress ecosystem. So if you simply Google the term WordPress meetup near me, probably you can find the list of meetups in your city, in your neighboring city, or in your neighboring country. For example, if you're based in Johor Bahru, we have a WordPress meetup here in Johor Bahru. But if you are not in here, Johor Bahru, probably if you live in Singapore, we have a WordPress meetup in Singapore as well, a group of people. So that is not like much active at the moment, but there is an opportunity. The thing is that the community people in Singapore are quite exhausted. Probably they are not able to manage time to run the meetup. Now it's your turn. It's your chance that you can step up and say that, hey, I can organize the meetup in Singapore. Who can help me? So sometimes like you can also take the initiative, and that is what our community actually make it for you. WordPress is 43% of the web. It means that we have a very powerful presence in the web ecosystem. Now we have like meetups all around the globe. In 6 continents, like more than 120 or something countries globally, we have a meetup. Now, if you are really interested and passionate about the community and want to do something for the community and get benefit from the community, then get involved to your nearest community. I was talking with few of the people today as well, and they said that next year probably I'm not going to lead the WordCamp. Another was saying that, oh no, I don't have time. So if you find that people, go and speak up and say, I have time. Can you give a chance to lead me the meetup? Lead the WordCamps? Then that is how you can start. That is how you can make the community, and that is how you can grow in the community. So here is my story. So I have a year in my story. Like you, in 2012, I got chance to attend a meetup in my city. At that time, I had no idea about what WordPress is, what local server is, blah, blah, blah. I had no idea. But I went to that meetup, and I came to know about, WordPress. And then I started looking for it. And in 2014, after 2 years, I got chance to be a volunteer in a WordCamp. That was a WordCamp Nepal in Kathmandu. I got chance to be a volunteer. And that was the turning point. My entire life. That really changed my life. In 2015, in 2014 WordCamp, I get chance to involve in a session called Theme Review. In that session, I learned how to review WordPress themes that is submitted by developers in WordPress theme repository. So I was really surprised. Oh, people like me can also review the WordPress theme? And the presenter said, why not? Today, go sit in front of your computer, download one theme, start reviewing theme. At that time, I had no idea what are the things that I need to look after while reviewing themes. Do you know what I did? I opened the file and started looking for spelling mistakes. That was my first review. I was actually looking for the file, and because I had no idea what are the codes that I need to look, because at that time I was just learning WordPress. I started looking for spelling mistakes. I was looking for line code alignment. I was looking for spacing. I was looking for like if there any code is commented or not, something like that. Because I had no idea what's like prefixing is, what sanitization is, what validation is, what licensing is, what GPL is. I have no idea. So I list all those things and paste. But I was able to review at least those things. And the senior reviewer take over that and reviewing the themes. It was in 2015. And today is 2025. And I completed my 10 years of reviewing WordPress themes in WordPress themes repository. And I can proudly say that I am the one with highest number of reviews in WordPress theme repository with 6,700 plus themes in the ecosystem. And the good thing is that I did it in a regular way. So from 2015, I started doing that, and I have been doing. And in 2018, I became the themes team representative for WordPress ecosystem, and I'm still in the same position. No one actually show up and say that, hey, take rest. I'm going to take over your work. Because as Dan said before, as our previous speaker said, we wanted to do that, but we actually wouldn't show up. So we need to show up as well. And in 2021, luckily I got a chance to talk with RankMath, one of the popular SEO plugin, and they said that, hey, we are looking for someone like you who are already in the contribution, and we really wanted to support your contribution for WordPress. And I was really happy. You know, the thing is that I have been doing same work for more than 6-7 years, and a popular company come and talk with me and say that I would like to give you money, give you salary for the work that I have been doing for so many years for free. The thing is that the thing I was loving, I was doing, now I am doing the same thing and I am getting paid. Previously I was doing it for free, now I am getting paid by doing the same work. This is the chance. That is the chance that you can create within the ecosystem. And these days I can see that many people started getting sponsored from other companies as well. So I think the Kinsta is sponsoring so many people these days. I don't know how many hours they are sponsoring, or like RankMath is sponsoring me full time, but Kinsta is also sponsoring some hours. There are other companies who are also like appreciating people, like giving some like travel allowances, something like that. So that is the benefit that I'm getting from the company. And there are so many other companies, they usually send me a message and wanted to be in their company. Why? Because it's really hard to get the sustainable contributors who contribute for the long period of time and make the impact in the WordPress ecosystem. So I have been traveling for many WordCamps, so many of my friends know that as well. So let's forget about 2024, but 2025, January 1st, the first day of New Year, I was traveling for a WordCamp in India. In February, I was in WordCamp Asia. March, I took some rest. And then April, I went another place. May here. June, I will go to WordCamp Europe. And probably there are other WordCamp coming in between. So probably I will travel other WordCamp as well. And all of the money is given by RankMath. So the thing is that I'm working. Currently, I'm not giving only the presentation, I'm working. So I'm getting paid by the company that I'm speaking with in front of you. This is my work. So whenever I get, whenever I sit in front of my computer and start reviewing things, that is also the work. Whenever I travel for WordCamp, that is also a part of my work. So the thing is that if you are sustainable in the community, if you are sustainable in the part of contribution, then these type of chances you can create. While I started reviewing themes, I had no idea about reviewing themes. But what I did is, I do it by learning. So this is the opportunity that you can make, and you should start. And 5 for the future. There is an initiative called 5 for the future. So how much you earn please give 5% of your money, of your resource to the ecosystem that you are rely on. So we rely on WordPress. We all are here because of WordPress. You, me, and this event is happening because of WordPress. And if WordPress grow, rank math will grow. Your product will grow. Your services will grow. You know, you can create more opportunity in the ecosystem. But if WordPress started falling down, then what happened to my plugin? What happened to your services that you are offering in WordPress ecosystem? Nothing, right? So if we have a tree at the moment, we have a big tree at the moment, 43% of the wave, we need to feed it. We need to supply the water to that tree so that it will grow, and we can create more ecosystem, more powerful ecosystem. So we have an initiative called 5 for the Future. So please try to allocate your 5%, at least 5% of your resource for the welfare of the ecosystem, for the welfare of open source, for the welfare of the project. If WordPress grow, we all grow. If WordPress started falling down, then we started falling down. It's truth. Because rank math is an example. These plugins totally depend upon WordPress. If WordPress grow down, then the use of rank math will go down. The use of rank math will go down means the rank math will started lesser money. You know, if rank math started making lesser money, they will hire me. We don't need contributors, go away. And if I am not able to get money, then I need to find something different. I have to do some alternative work. And then I started saying that, hey, go WordPress, it's not useless. You know? So the thing is that if we have like time and resource at the moment, I think we need to give right away so that it will grow. And I have a dream to see WordPress more than 60% of the wave. Currently, we are 43% of the wave. And I think community like us, community like you, people like you can make WordPress better and more than 60% of the wave very soon. So if you have a company, please try to allocate your resource, 5% of your company resource for the welfare of the WordPress, for the betterment of WordPress. Otherwise, WordPress will down, WordPress will go down, and you can easily imagine what we need to find something different, you know. So if we are not able to find opportunity with 43% of the wave, then like I can't say anything. so we need to do it right away. So benefits. What are the benefits that you can get being involved in the community, being involved in the open source? So do what you love. It means that I have been reviewing themes for free, that what I love, and I'm getting paid by doing the same thing. And build your own portfolio. For example, I completed 6,700 plus theme review in WordPress ecosystem. That is on my profile. I'm not working from my company profile. I'm working on my profile. And even if I left the company, that portfolio is with me. I can easily sell that portfolio to something else. All the Git commits that I have from my profile that I can show to someone else. All the WordCamp that I attended, that is the portfolio that I can show to another people, another company that I attended this event. So these are the portfolio that you can make. If you work for another company, then they have white label or something like that, you can actually show that this is the project that I work. You can say that. Because that project was under the company portfolio. You can actually say that. So these is the things that contributors can get. WordPress open source contributor can get. And sustainability, I already said that a lot about sustainability. To sustainability of the project, we need to contribute. And another thing is that satisfaction. If you contribute, you will be satisfied a lot. If you find anyone who contributed for the first time and get a badge in their WordPress profile or get a props in WordPress Slack, they are really, really, really satisfied and happy. So the satisfaction that you can get. And another is direction to WordPress. For example, if you have some like creative idea, and if you started like contributing to the project to achieve your goal, probably you can also change the shape of WordPress. If you are very good at AI and if you have something if you have any idea in your mind that you can change WordPress. For example, nowadays we have translate.wordpress.org and we all need to translate manually string. Now the time is AI. I think AI easily can translate the string to the local language, right? I think if some developer can work on that part and change that to AI, then WordPress will easily change within a second in all of the languages. Now we have to do it manually. I think that type of creative idea that we can include in the WordPress ecosystem, and that can change the WordPress, that can change the shape of WordPress. And if you have something, that type of idea in your mind, you can also reach out in Meta, in WordPress Slack, and if you get that idea, then it will be like life-changing for you. I think those who build Customizer API, you know Customizer API, right? Later get hired by Google because that was a really creative idea that was introduced in WordPress, and the Google loved that developer, and later they grabbed that developer from WordPress to their company. So that type of opportunity that you can get, learning opportunity, you can work with so many powerful developers all around the world, so that you can get chance to talk with them, you can get chance to get ideas from them. And another thing, one important thing is that get information early. For example, if you are involved in WordPress core contribution, then you will get the internal discussion that these things are coming. I'll tell you one story. One of my friends had a plugin. That plugin helps to build customizer setting in theme. Okay? That was a plugin. It was very popular plugin. I think if I name it, every of you know it, but I don't want to name it. You can guess it later. That was a plugin, and he was the developer, and he was also the core contributor. And he know that the customizer is going to away from WordPress and full-site editing is coming. It means that when full-site editing will be in the WordPress core, then there is no use of customizer. He know it early, and he had a tweet say that I am not able to maintain this plugin, I have not time, I want to sell that. So he sell that plugin in very good amount, And after 4 or 5 months, WordPress introduced full-site editing, and full-site editing was in the ecosystem. The plugin, maybe the number of active installations is still the same, but those who purchased the plugin had to resell it to another with lower price. So that is the benefits that a single person can get. As a company owner, probably you will get that information early, then you can easily ship your product. Easily you can plan for your product. Those who know about, hey, pattern is coming, and if they know it already, probably those who started making full-site editing theme, patterns library, I think they are making money. When WordPress started Gutenberg blocks, then lots of companies started making Gutenberg blocks, and they are making money. So that are the information that you can get from the core. But if you are just a user, if you are just doing nothing, then you need to wait. When it is coming, where the discussion is going on, what are the impacts that you can add on it, so you will be always outdated. And you will only get the remaining portion, the sweet one will take by someone else. So many things, and many more things that we can get. So, first, if you are feeling motivated, if you think that I need to contribute, then first you need to prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. Take a long breath and think, I think I need to do it. And as I said before, as per my example, you don't need to be expert. WordPress has so many areas that you can put your expertise in. If you are good at managing the events, be the event organizer, WordCamp, meetup organizer. If you are good at writing the codes, then work on the WordPress core. If you are good at translating from your language to English, you have translation as well. If you are not able to if you are introvert, if you don't want to face with people, we also have that other possibility in WordPress ecosystem as well. So WordPress have, I think, 23 or 24 different teams, and there are many other sub teams as well. So you can be involved in one of those teams and started doing that. Simply prepare yourself. First, make your WordPress.org account. If you don't have, you can do it right away. And you can also make WordPress Slack, where all the communication happens. It's a public channel. You can join the public channel and start reading what people are saying. And if you find anything that you would like to put in on, say, put it on. So currently I'm in Sydney. So I was in Sydney, and WordPress anniversary is coming. And I just simply send a message in WordPress Sydney Slack channel that, hey, what's your plan for WordPress anniversary that is coming, this. And like they were not like, they were like not preparing anything, and I gave them idea. You can do something smaller, and they said, what? Probably you can like organize a picnic, a dry picnic, like everybody will come with their own food, sit in a park, it's a free, so that you can organize in that way as well. So I started taking the initiation, and some of the person from the community DM me and say that, are you able to take the initiative? And then I say, okay, I can think. I don't say like, okay, I think I can think. It means that like I get another opportunity in another city. If I organize a one meetup in that particular city, then I get a chance to connect with so many people. And probably I can get a business, probably I can get a work as well. So these are the opportunities that we can create, and we need to stand up, grow up. And be consistent. Do it regularly. Do it today, don't leave tomorrow. Do it today, next week, next month, next year, and then you will get benefit. If you do it today and if you left it, no one will recognize you. If to get recognized, you need to do it consistent. If you are consistent, then people will start looking at, hey, that person is doing good, and I think we need to do something for him. I think that person deserves to be sponsored. So be consistent and do yourself. So this is from my side. So if you have anything, you can always reach out to me. If you are not able to speak up directly, so if I have get opportunity, then I can always like connect with people who get connect with me, and we have lots of opportunity as well. So we can share that opportunity too. Thank you, and if you have any questions, just let me know.
I would like to, I'm from Sydney, and I have been out of Sydney for 8 years now. And a question I have is, what is the WordCamp community like in Sydney? Like, compare it to Asia and be honest.
I see in the developed country or in the developed city, the time is really precious, you know. So everybody wants to do something for the community, but actually they are like bounded by the time frame. They can't actually like take more time. But in case of Kathmandu, in case of Nepal, where my home is, like we have so many people that they can like take an initiative. I feel the same in Sydney. Like people wanted to do that, but like due to time constraint, they are not able to actually do that. But they have a pretty good community. But they recently had a WordCamp Sydney as well. And they are planning for Brisbane in another city as well for WordCamp. So community is good. There are so many people working in WordPress ecosystem in Sydney. But the problem is time. So they can't actually have enough time to do for the community.